In this video, I'll show you how to motion track objects in Davinci Resolve. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, click on Fusion tab, then hit Ctrl plus space to open the select tool menu, and right here we need to search planar tracker. Select it, click on add. Now move this header where you want to track the object. So this is the point from where I want to track the object. So I'll just put the header right here, then click on set. So here we need to set the tracker to hybrid point and motion type to translation. Now create a complete selection by using your mouse on an object which you want to track. Once you do that, just click on this icon, and now here we need to change the operational mode from track to stabilize. Now get back to the edit tab, and right here you can see the black border around the clip which we need to remove. So for that, just select the clip, go to inspector, and just zoom out the clip in a such way that the black border should be disappear. And yeah, here you can see we have successfully motion tracked the objects. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.